A poignant statement on the consumption-driven world we live in, this piece by Makatron Maka highlights the increasing environmental problem of human plastics ending up in our shared oceans and waterways. Plastic pollution results in many problems for many animals who have their habitats destroyed or made completely unsafe. Ultimately, plastic pollution creates harm for humans as well. Based in Melbourne, Makatron studied art in New York before travelling the world exhibiting his works as a member of Everfresh Studio. Painting everywhere from the Berlin Wall to the River Ganges, Maka's works have received international acclaim and been exhibited in the National Gallery of Australia, National Gallery of Victoria and Mona, Tasmania. Maka's artwork creates a world in which the natural forces fight back against humanity, reclaiming the Earth from the uncaring advance of civilization. Focusing on the friction point between man, beast and machine, Maka presents a message to mankind to step foot outside of the concrete jungle and reconnect with Mother Nature and the animal in all of us.